Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to bridge edge loops. Okay, for example, I will insert the cube object and you can change for the subdivision like into 4 for every area. And the next I will select with the face selection. Okay, I will select in the top face. You can press delete button and then I will select again in the bottom face and press delete button. Now you can select for the edge. Okay, you can double click with the edge selection. Like I will click at this point. It will be automatically create for the loop edge. And also in the top here, you can press shift button, hold, and then you can double click to select. The next, you can go to the edit mesh and we can use the bridge to connect between the edge. Okay, that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to bridge edge loop.